इंडिया, सबसे पहली बात जो मैं बोलूंगी, जो विवेकानंद सर ने बोली थी, लिबर्टी इज द फर्स्ट कंडीशन ऑफ ग्रोथ. It's not about education, Mr. Sachin, even though you were not provided with the education, but still, you had the opportunity to develop your faculties. And I believe in providing equal opportunities to every person, be it the Dalit, be it the rich, be it the neglected old, the ignorant rich, or the thinking few like you and me.
She questioned on me, look who's speaking. I'm the most corrupted leader. Not only me, 120 crore Indian people.
120 crore Indian people believe in the effective judiciary system of India. We have a very effective judiciary system, and I don't believe in trial by media or somebody merely nothing till date has been proved. I have been given a clean check by the insurance companies.
If you have a clean sheet from financial or banks or the agencies,
insurance companies,
insurance companies, then why today Akhilesh Yadav has been sold as the chief minister of UP? आप पूरी तरह से यूपी में फ्लॉप कर दिया आपने. एक अकेला बंदा जिसने आज के पहले सिर्फ 4 या 5 लोकसभा इलेक्शन जीते हैं, वो आज
the downtrodden society. That was the only reason that I secured 80 seats. I was the one second. Let me finish.
Okay, we are not going into the number of seats procured or not, but we are talking about in broader sense the perspective. Yes, whether we are producing more of the followers in India or the leaders.
She is producing Ambedkar.
Sir, one second. I would like to make one point.
even Taj Corridor Mamla came against the Mayawati.
Okay, we are not directing.
Let me answer one question first, please. One by one. Thank you. Sir, the question you put to me, that are we producing leaders? Sir, institutions make leaders. First, we need to be sure that are the institutions that we are making, which produce leaders, are effective and basically provided with enough. I mean, the faculties that will be emerging, are those institutions capable enough?
Yeah, and
it's not about producing leaders, it's about producing institutions, because it's the leaders that produce institutions later on.
Yeah, and are they really transparent in their approach is what Annaji would like to comment about. Absolutely, I agree with that. That's wonderful.
Anyway, sir, I would like to ask a question to Mr. Narayan, sir. आपने भी कहा था कि आपने बहुत लोगों को नौकरी दी है, which is a very good thing. India requires a lot. But still, I would like to say कि बहुत सारा population जो इंडिया का है वो villages में रहता है. Even though we are having 74% of literacy rate, according to the new survey, but still we are having a lot. By literacy we don't mean कि सब engineers या doctors हैं, right? Maybe just 10 pass. अगर जो अभी गांव में रहते हैं, जो backbone है हमारे इंडिया
बनाते हैं. We general peoples make India. For them, we are looking creating job for them. So on the base level, if you want to see, we can't work on the base. We have the powers, supremos sitting outside the world, throughout the world. So we can only think we are giving the jobs, we are making way for them.
But sir, you are every time and again referring to we means you. Yeah, as the government really supported you in your endeavor to see that collectively we all put together, not only Infosys but other companies put together, really put India on the world map.
Yes, sir.
But my question was, what are you doing with people who are actually, the backbone of Indian society, the villages? Yeah, my question is, the maximum number of people, they are not living in the cities to whom you are providing jobs. ठीक है? आप उन लोगों के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं जो गांव में रहते हैं, जो खेती बाड़ी करते हैं या उससे रिलेटेड काम करते हैं, आप उनको क्या कर रहे हैं? उनके लिए आपने क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है? हाँ, आपने जॉब्स दिए, बहुत सारे लोगों को जॉब्स दिए, वो एमएनसी भी करती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप फिर पैसा कमा रहे हैं, आप ऑफ कोर्स कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं सोसाइटी को, पर जो मेन बैकबोन है उनके लिए.
I give to your question. Very famous line from the Wings of Fire by Mr. Abdul Kalam साहब. सपने उतने देखा करो, सपने वो होते हैं जब तुम देखो, और तब तक देखते रहो जब तक तुम जागते नहीं हो. सपने वो नहीं कहते जो तुम देख रहे हो. That means गाँव के लोग सब में देख रहे हैं, we are on the base level, we are trying our best कि उनको ऊपर उठाया जाए, but we are on this IT sector, we can't go in the villages and we can't make there our companies there. मानता हूँ इंडिया ग्रो कर रही है, इंडिया ग्रो करेगी जब तक इंडियंस ग्रो नहीं करेंगे.
Okay, sir, one question. Not just.
Anna ji, this organization is not NGO. This organization is public service corporate.
Okay, fine. मेरा ये सवाल अभी से भी आ रहा
I
है.
need to understand, sir.
Yeah, just a minute.
But then he has an equal responsibility towards the country as well.
Exactly.
If
So,
he
as
is
an
coming
Indian,
from this country, he's eating from this country and he owes something to this country as
what is your
well.
contribution as an Indian, not as the CEO of Infosys? No.
Yeah.
As an Indian, what is your?
Yeah, I'm coming to that point. I have made so many orphanages in India. I have contributed $1 million in IITs to make our education system better.
CSR activities.
IITs में सबका जाना पॉसिबल नहीं होता एंड IIT इज द टफेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन वी नो एंड जब आप IITs को कर रहे हैं तो आप क्यों नहीं गाँव में जाके इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज खोल रहे हैं और वहाँ के बच्चे.
Yeah, I have established engineering colleges in Maharashtra, in Karnataka, in Mysore. I have established colleges. They are running from the Provident Fund of India itself. So, we can't go to every village now.
Let's see what Madam Kiran Bedi has to say. Yeah, go ahead.
I would like to raise your question. It's not an NGO, but it's a corporate. It becomes its social responsibility to be a part of the society and serve the society.
Yeah.
So, why, sir? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि अमीर अमीर होता जा रहा है, गरीब गरीब होता जा रहा है? एक एरिया तक सीमित है अमीरी, गरीबी बढ़ती ही जा रही है. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, सर?
तो इसके पीछे आपकी गवर्नमेंट के साथ मैं टाई अप कर रहा हूँ, हम लोग साथ काम कर रहे हैं, बट दे आर नॉट सपोर्टिंग ऑन द बेस लेवल ना.
So the government is still inefficient to